Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Office 2021 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. Whether you want Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or the complete Office Professional Plus 2021 suite, this guide will walk you through the entire installation process from start to finish. We'll be using Microsoft's official Office deployment tool and Office customization tool, so there's no need for cracked software, activators, or unsafe downloads. This is a clean, safe, and reliable installation method. So, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. The first thing we need to do is download the two files required for the installation. Open your web browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Open the official Microsoft website. Choose your preferred language and download the tool. Once that's finished, open a new tab and search for Office Customization Tool. Again, open the official Microsoft website. This tool allows us to choose exactly which version of Office we want to install. First, select the architecture you want. If you don't know which one your PC is using, then simply go to your Start menu and search for System Information. Here you will see your PC type, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Next, under Office Suites, select Office Professional Plus 2021. Now scroll down to the list of Office applications. If you don't need apps like Access, Publisher, or Skype for Business, you can disable them. This reduces the installation size and installs only the applications you'll actually use. After that, choose your preferred language. Then scroll all the way to the last section. Scroll down once again and click Finish. Now click Export. Choose Office Open XML format and click OK. Accept the license agreement and then click Export again. At this point, both required files have been downloaded. Now open your Downloads folder. Select both downloaded files and copy them. Next, go to your C drive. Here, create a new folder and rename it to Office 2021. Open that folder and paste both downloaded files inside it. Now open the Office Deployment Tool Setup file. Accept the license agreement and click Continue. When it asks where you want to extract the files, select the same Office folder that we just created inside the C drive and click OK. The setup will now extract all of the required installation files into that folder. Now we are ready for installation, but before that, let's make sure there isn't another version already installed on the computer. Having multiple Office versions can sometimes cause installation problems. Open Settings, go to Apps, and then Installed Apps. Scroll through the list and look for any version of Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. If you find one, click the three dots next to it, choose Uninstall, and follow the on-screen instructions until it's completely removed. Now we're ready to install Microsoft Office 2021. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and make sure to choose Run as Administrator. Inside Command Prompt, type CD followed by a space. Now go back to the Office folder. Click the address bar at the top. Copy the folder path. Return to Command Prompt. Paste it using Ctrl+V or simply right-click for mouse and press Enter. Now type the following command that's shown on the screen. I'll also include this command in the video description so you can simply copy and paste it. Press Enter, and the installation will begin automatically. The installer will now download Microsoft Office 2021 directly from Microsoft servers and install it on your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take several minutes, so just let it finish. Once the installation reaches 100%, Microsoft Office 2021 will be fully installed. To verify everything worked correctly, open the Start menu and launch Microsoft Word or any other Office application. If Word opens, the installation is complete. And that's it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Office 2021 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC using Microsoft's official tools. If this tutorial helped you, Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.